Well, hello, it's been a while, a couple weeks. I'm back though, and today we're going to be recovering an ATV seat. Now, it's worth noting this is the same process whether you used one of the formed, like, fitted ones specific for your quad, or if you just use raw fabric. So, yeah, let's jump on into it. So, obviously, the first thing that you're going to have to do is take your upholstery off. Mine was in pretty sad shape. Technically, the seat needed the foam to be redone, but I'm not going to do that because I'm just going to sell the thing, and it works good enough. Now, on the seat that I'm working, and probably the seat that you're going to be working on, there will be a bunch of staples underneath the actual seat. They'll probably be rusted, and I just pried up the staples. So most of the time, only one side would come up, and I would just come and take... I mean, you can use pliers or whatever you have. I just had these laying around. And take the staples out. Now, this is a process and a half because there's a lot of staples, so make sure that you get all of them out. Alright, now that we've got all the staples out, we will flip the seat over and take off the old fabric. Now that we have all of the fabric off, and we're not going to fix the foam, we can start putting our new fabric on. Now, this is a vinyl that I bought at Hobby Lobby, or you can get it at Joann's or wherever. It's worth noting you should probably leave it out in the sun, you know, while you're taking the staples out, so it can kind of get pliable and workable. It really helps with the stretching process. So we'll start off by putting the fabric on the seat, and then we'll attach a handful of staples, maybe 6 to 8 of them, in the front part of the seat. Then we pull back very firmly on the back of the seat and put another 6 to 8 staples here. If you're using wider staples, it might use less. And then we go to the most curved part of the seat and pull as hard as you can to get it as flat as possible, or to ride the curve of the seat. And then we put in our 6 to 8 staples here. And finally we go to the other side of the curve and pull taut, very taut. You don't want your fabric to be too hot or else this might crack it. And then we put our 6 to 8 staples there. And then we just basically work our way around the seat, putting in a handful of staples at a time until we have done the entire seat, pulling taut the entire time. You'll get out any wrinkles. It may look bad at first, but they will look better as you go on because you're getting the wrinkles out as you go. Don't work towards the staples you already put, work out from that, because otherwise you're going to make it worse and there will be a lot of wrinkles and everything like that. Our point is to pull it taut so that there's no wrinkles.
Is this the road to the gun club?
I have no idea.
Okay.
I've never been though.
Are you waiting for someone that's road marching?
No, I'm trying to record a video, that's all. Alright, well, now that we're not being interrupted by somebody who can't read social cues, that's all we have. It's done. It's really simple to do. Try it. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? I think I paid 10 bucks or 13 bucks a yard for this stuff. And if it ends up turning out terrible, you can still, you know, take it somewhere. But anyway, I guess that's all I have for you today. You be good while I'm gone, and you have a lovely week.